Again, here's the water heater, 14 years old. Boiler, it's a natural vent, 40 to 50 years old, doesn't even have a damper on it. Hey guys, if you don't know, I do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And today I've been called out to take a look at a water heater. The folks are concerned due to the age of the water heater, but deep down, I know it's time. It's time for an upgrade on the boiler and the water heater, and my job is to educate them. Let's check it out. We'll show you when we get inside what we got. Now you guys know I'm going to put together options. Combi boiler, over fixing, keeping this running with replacing the water heater, which is a 50 gallon. The tank is 13, 14 years old. No brainer, get rid of it. We have our boiler here. Hydronic gas heating, American Standard, plumbing and heating division. Now we all know about this tank here. This is a beaut. And again, figured 40 to 50 years old. Let's say we do a boiler cleaning. It's in really bad shape. It's very rusted. Again, this thing's 40 years old. A gas valve, Millivolt, that is running constantly. And I'm not sure if it's still lit right. Look at this. How classic is this? That gas has been running all year, wasting gas. What a Combi boiler would do is eliminate that wasted gas. To keep this thing running, relief valve, 67, expansion tank, all been done. I've changed both of these zone heads. I can't even tell you how long ago it was. We got the aquastat. We got the gas valve with the millivolt system. And of course, down that dark corner is the pump that circulates for the system. To keep this boiler going with some repairs throughout the year could be a problem, right? The price of a new water heater, they're kicking around with the original Chimney, which I did a little fact check on Mr. AI. This house is 101 years old as per the address. So that makes that chimney 101 years old. And we're just kicking around some ideas right now. We're not here to even service. My original call was the water heater. You already know what this is. We can keep it going. There is no doubt in my mind. But is it efficient? And will it make it through another winter? We all know how cold this winter was, right? Really cold. And it survived, it worked. Now let's put this information together with the help of my friend, Mr. Claude. So what I'm gonna do here is read to Mr. Claude. On a 50-year-old boiler at 220,000 BTUs with a natural draft, plus a 40,000 BTU natural water heater, natural vent water heater, what could the fuel savings be if they switched to a Navion NCB 240 combination boiler? Here we go, guys. It verifies 570 to 625 therms a year at a savings of $855 to $1,100 roughly on the gas bill. What I'm going to do is make you a graph on this on the big screen. Right now I'm working from my phone, a little difficult, but you get my point. And I'll show you on the big screen what I make for my customers to show them cost comparisons from old to keep it going to new and improved, plus the energy savings. Okay, guys, here's the PDF I made. It talks about relining the chimney or replace it all. Keeping the existing setup running isn't one repair. It's three. Rebuild and service the old boiler, replace a worn-out water heater, and reline a 40-foot chimney so the atmospheric appliances vent safely. Add those up and you're most of the way to the price of replacing both with one Navion NCB Combi boiler. Except patching leaves you with an old equipment and nothing to show for it. Here is the side-by-side. Path A, boiler rebuild and service, approximate price of a water heater, approximate price of a liner, the price 10 to 12.5. And this is all national averages. I just asked Claude national averages, and we came out with this. Path B, Navion Combi, installed, eliminates the chimney, and of course, you get yourself a new equipment with a new warranty. And then down below, the gas savings annually compared old heater and tank compared to a Combi. And this stuff you can just hand off to your customer while you try to educate them and teach them what they got, compare apples to apples, and make some good decisions based on what you give them through show and tell. And that's all I wanted to show you guys. Again, all done with AI. A couple informed prompts because we know what we're talking about. We're plumbers, right? And that's the whole key. The whole key is giving it the right prompt from what we know as plumbers. And that's how I did this, just from being in the field, from being educated all these years as a 40-year-old plumber. Check that. I wish I was 40. A 40-year plumber. There are so many tools in your tool bag, aka your phone, that can help you make the right decisions out there, get proper intel, cost comparisons between efficient and non-efficient, how much fuel it uses compared to new equipment. It's so powerful to be able to do it ourselves now with some AI, with some knowledge of the field, what we know the right questions to ask, and to help teach the customer, show the customer, you can do A, B, or C, and here's why. Not, you need a new boiler now, it's broken, and you should do this. Now we can give them some information to help teach them. And I'm going to run the numbers on a standardized price book and see what the comparisons are to fix a boiler, to keep it running, to replace the water heater with the existing water heater, another 50 gallon with a 4-inch flue, hoping that the chimney never fails. Tell me what you think. And if you're looking for some free AI training, put your email in the link below. We'll be glad to send you out what we're doing. We're just scratching the surface here, guys.